MotorWeek is made possible by Lucas Oil, TireRack.com, and RockAuto.com.
When the new year comes into view, MotorWeek fans know it will soon be time for our annual Driver's Choice Awards for the year's best. And for 2022, they arrived at the right time. Despite an unending pandemic, chip shortages, and upending inflation, we've had loads of terrific new cars, utilities, and trucks to review. So let's get rolling with the cars we like driving the best. Considering there are fewer genuine cars to test these days, and the majority of families that do choose to stick with an actual sedan are opting for smaller ones, it makes sense that our Best Family Sedan Award goes to the redesign of a sedan benchmark, the Honda Civic. The 11th generation of the Civic arrives more frugal, more practical, more stylish, and yes, even more fun than ever. We try to be sensible with our Driver's Choice Award picks, keeping value in mind. But when it comes to luxury, it's all about the experience. And the arrival of an all-new Mercedes-Benz S-Class is an experience worth celebrating. New tech like augmented reality navigation, up to 77 inches of screen space, some of the nicest materials you'll find in an automobile, and e-active body control that delivers a composed driving experience unlike any other big sedan on the road. When it comes to acknowledging a broader performance effort, our Best Sports Sedan Award goes to Cadillac for their V-Series Blackwings. Yes, the Blackwing finally arrived, both as a CT4V packing a 472 horsepower twin-turbo V6 and the CT5V with a 668 horsepower supercharged V8. Together, they get updated with track-worthy suspension setups, available manual transmissions, and high-performance brakes. Proof that GM can easily do world-class performance whenever they put their minds to it. For 2 years running, our Best Sport Coupe Award has gone to the Toyota Supra. Yes, they needed an assist from BMW, but it was Toyota's own Gazoo racing squad that really made the Supra a winner. Well, this year they've turned their tuning skills to the 86 and created another Driver's Choice Award winner, now known as the GR86. Of course, Toyota partnered with Subaru on this one once again, so the BRZ gets our award too. Both these second-gen, lightweight, throwback sport coupes add more power, more prowess, and most importantly, more personality. With all of the performance cars that we drove last year, none delivered a pure driving experience better than last year's winner, the Porsche 718. Cayman Coupe, Boxster Roadster, both equally fun. And it doesn't even matter whether you stick with the base 300 horsepower four-cylinder turbo Boxster or step up to the track-slaying Cayman GT4 with its GT-derived, naturally aspirated 414 horsepower flat six. The 718 family has it all, including bang for the buck. Fully electric vehicles are no longer the future, they're here now, and becoming a realistic option for more and more people. This year we have awards for 3 EVs that we think were the biggest game changers yet. The Lucid Air luxury sedan is bursting onto the scene with a performance version that delivers 1,111 horsepower and hits 60 in just 2.4 seconds, while delivering close to 500 miles of range. If that's not enough to dispel your range anxiety, a range version pushes it to 520 miles, though operates with only 933 horsepower. Another new California-based electric vehicle company, Rivian, is delivering a real-deal mid-size pickup truck built not to garner headlines, but to offer what pickup people actually need. The R1T tows 11,000 pounds of trailer, easily conquers off-road trails, and even feels like a sports sedan on twisty roads, all while providing up to 314 miles of range. One fully electric SUV that's making a case to be the only SUV you need is the Volkswagen ID.4. As the first vehicle to come from Volkswagen's ID sub-brand, the ID.4 comes in your choice of rear or all-wheel drive, delivers up to 260 miles of range, and drives just like the gasoline-powered SUV you're used to. Most importantly, it's priced like one too. Time to hit the pause button on our 2022 MotorWeek Driver's Choice Awards. But we'll be back soon with a look at the trucks and utilities that we feel got the job done this year.